Welcome to our sneak peek into the live stream room at theguestbungalow.com. This is yoga class number 123, now available on demand. Zen Yoga, a moving meditation, great for beginners to advanced individuals. This offering is a fusion of standing yoga poses, Tai Chi and Qigong to build strength, power, immunity, and balance within the body. Over time, with dedication to practice, one is likely to physically notice an increase in energy flow within their being. All offerings at our electronic retreat center, the Guest Bungalow, are guided. This is simply your complimentary visual experience. Enjoy the view. To experience this complete 1-hour Zen Yoga class, visit theguestbungalow.com today and enter the live stream room. Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today and join our beautiful community.